Welcome back to Headlines Now. Now, with big money comes more spending, and cashing in on just that, the time has been ripe for Swiss watchmaker Raymond Weil to give Chennaiites a new brand to taste. Business reporter Ashmit Kumar brings you the next bling thing Chennaiites may have to watch out for.
As the market for luxury products in Chennai begins to swell, the city is beginning to attract the latest from designer labels. The latest entrant is a Swiss delight that gives new meaning to the phrase, time is money. Raymond Weil watchmakers from Switzerland launched their boutique in Chennai with much fanfare.
They put a lot of hard work towards it, and I was talking to him in the afternoon. There's a lot of passion involved in making every watch, designing it. And also I feel nothing is more precious than time. Time never stops, so why not have a special watch to look at it?
I've been associated with this brand because of the precision, the quality, and I have a passion towards the watches.
The Swiss treat, aimed at city's connoisseurs, presents a range of options for the discerning Chennaiite. Meanwhile, the watchmakers are confident of Chennai's appetite for such products.
No doubt that South India is becoming one very interesting region for us. I don't know, but you certainly have heard that there is a new mall coming on in Coimbatore. I think the main one, there is one very important factor. Chennai is known as a conservative city. Chennai is known as a harbor. Chennai is known for being a wealthy city.
As these watches leave the customers swooning, it's safe to say that our city has arrived at the high table. In Chennai, this is Ashmit Kumar for NDTV Hindu.
Well, it's time for some sports news now from the cricket pitches. Ahead of the India-Australia ODI series, there have been major changes in the squad, giving their youngsters one last chance to grab the ICC 2011 World Cup spot. With both sides resting key players, the onus will be on standout individual performances in the three-match series. Having lost both test matches to India, the Aussies will look to bounce back with a morale-boosting ODI series triumph ahead of the Ashes. Meanwhile, Dhoni's men will want to keep their recent strong ODI form going, but both sides will have to unearth a couple of new heroes if they are to achieve all that they seek. Still ahead on Headlines Now. He may be called the demigod of cricket in Kolkata, but Dada is batting for the Mata Durga this October.